Once upon a time, about 6 months ago, I took some household items and did some winding and winding and winding and some winding and some more winding and made a guitar pickup. And somehow it actually worked. I had taken 2 ceramic refrigerator magnets and glued them to the back of the pole pieces. But I've been looking into taking these objects and making a custom neodymium pickup for a future project, but everything I seen online was negative. I came across terms like ice pick highs, harsh. People also said they were too powerful or that the magnets pulled on the strings and killed the sustain. My common sense tells me most of these are myths or things that could be worked around easily. So in this video, I'm going to take that homemade pickup and attach neodymium magnets to it in several different configurations and see what results I get. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, stay tuned. As a baseline comparison, here's a clip from the last video using the ceramic magnets. So for the first test, I'm just going to take 6x3mm neodymium button magnets and attach one to the back of each pole piece with the south polarity facing up. For the second test, I'm going to take one of these 60x10x3mm neodymium bar magnets attached directly behind the pole pieces with a piece of masking tape for insulation. I tested the amount of magnetic pull, and it didn't feel to me to be any different than the original ceramic magnets. For the third test, I used 2 of the neodymium bar magnets. They have 16 pounds of pull each. I placed them on either side of the pole pieces, repelling each other like a P90 pickup. To my surprise, with 32 pounds of magnetic pull, it's barely pulling on the screwdriver, not even as much as a plain Alnico pole piece. Will this kill the sustain? In conclusion, I think a lot of the things I read on the internet about neodymium pickups were myths. A lot of people seem to be spreading misinformation without actually doing experiments or trying it themselves. These results are exactly in line with the one person that I asked on a pickup winding forum that had actually done these experiments. Neodymium makes more bass than other magnet types, not more treble, and as long as you're using a steel pole piece with the neodymium behind the pickup, string pull is negligible. It doesn't kill the sustain any at all from what I could tell. In fact, it seems to be a lot less pull than a regular Alnico pole piece. So I say if you want to go ahead and design and build a neodymium pickup, go for it. That's exactly what I'll be doing for my next build. Well, that's about it for this video. I'm Clementine, you're watching Heavy Metal ATC. Till next time!